Hello everyone, today I will show you how to decrease or reduce raw height in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and dragging your mouse, select your raw and simply put your mouse cursor in the raw line and see this double arrow icon showing and decrease it and see this. And second way, select your raw and go to table properties option and here you will find this raw height. Here you can decrease the raw height. Also you can put custom raw height and see this. Also it says this to raw height. I'll put 0.5 and see this. Raw height already decreased. Same way you can increase the raw size. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.